We're making funfetti cookies out of the cake mix. You take 2 eggs and a 1/3 cup of oil and a package of Pillsbury funfetti cake mix. You mix real well. Incorporate the eggs and the oil. And once this is complete, you take about 1 inch and form balls. And also you can do this out of chocolate cake mix. I added Reese Pieces on this one. And you bake at 375 for approximately 10 to 12 minutes. They're really simple.
Quinny's, collecting late recipes, cross-checking for relief. And she knew he was feeling it too. She could see it in his occasional lost solicitous in the last few days, texting to ask about her,
The recipe is at the end of the video. I hope
For
you
Nicole,
enjoyed this.